Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 22, OV 144. मीच याते पाणी पाजिता, फकीर अवचित मुकला जीविता, ऐसी सत्य वार्ता मी वदता, लागेन हाता आयताच. If I tell the truth, that when I gave him water to drink, the fakir died suddenly after that, then I will be walking into their net. माझा संबंध येईल आधी, धरितील मजलाची या संबंधी, पुढे ठरता मरणाची आधी, मी निरपराधी ठरेन. I will be the first person who will be caught in this connection. Later on, when the real cause of the death is discovered, I will be proved to be innocent. परी ते ठरेपर्यंतचा काल, जाईल दुस्सह होतील हाल, तैसाच आल्या वाटेने पळ, काढावा तात्काळ हे ठरले. But until that is decided, what torture will I have to go through? Therefore, I should run back the same way as I have come immediately. He decided that. म्हणून अमीर रातोरात, निघाला तेथून कोणी न देखत, पुढे जाता मागे पाहत, अस्वस्थ चित्त मार्गात. Therefore, Amir quit the place the same night before anyone could see him. As he walked, he kept looking backwards. All the way, he was in a disturbed state of mind. सावडी कैसी येते हाती, मनास तोवर ना निश्चिंती, ऐसा अमीर शंकित वृत्ती, शिर्डी प्रती चालला. How will I reach the Chavdi? His mind was not free of fear. Amir had such doubts as he walked towards Shirdi. म्हणे बाबा हे काय केले, काय की हे पाप ओढवले, माझेच कर्म मजला फळले, ते मज कळले संपूर्ण. O Baba, what have I done? How have I drawn this burden upon me? My own actions have brought these fruits. I have understood this fully. सुखा लागी सोडिली चावडी, म्हणून माझी तोडिली खोडी, असो आता या दुःखातुनी काढी, नेऊनी शिर्डीत घालिंगा. I left the Chavdi in the hope of finding a better place. Therefore, you have taught me a lesson. So be it. Now take me out of this predicament and see that I reach Shirdi. केली तयारी हातोहात, अमीर निघाला रातोरात, टाकून तेथे तैसेच प्रेत, धर्मशाळेत त्या रात्री. Thus he got himself ready, and Amir left in the night itself, leaving the corpse behind in the Dharmashala. बाबा बाबा मुखे वदत, क्षमा करा करुणा भाकित, पातला जेव्हा चावडी प्रत, जाहला स्वस्थ चित्तात. Baba, Baba, he said, please pardon me, have mercy. He walked petitioning all the way till he reached the Chavdi. He then got relief. एवचा हा तरी एक धडा, तेथून कानास लाविला खडा, अमीर वरतू लागला पुढा, सोडून कुडा कुमार्ग. In this way, Amir learnt a lesson and took an oath to behave himself. Later, Amir behaved well and gave up the wrong and crooked path. असो विश्वासे गुण आला, वातापासून मुक्त झाला, पुढे कैसा प्रसंग पातला, प्रकार घडला तो ऐका. So be it. His faith bore fruit, and he was cured of his rheumatism. Now listen to what incident took place later on.